Before I start this video, guys, I just got a comment from somebody that said I should not count the 100 feet EAS. Well, I can count it if I like, because, well, it's still an EAS, obviously. Like, even if it's a pre-recorded message of an EAS, like, on this website. This is an accurate website. I say if it's expired, it doesn't matter. So just don't send any comments like that. Anyways, on with the video.
A civil authority has issued civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Osage, Missouri, at 5:17 p.m. on John 5th, 2025, effective until 1:17 am John 6th, 2025. John 2025 iPod test.
Who issues a civil emergency for a test anyways? That's weird. But I'm gonna count this as a practice such demo. I'm not gonna count this as a civil emergency because this is, yeah. Look at all of this. This is active alerts. That's SVR. That's if your the morning. Yeah, these are real alerts. I'll show you a little behind the scenes how I can do it. And yes, the EAS will not count. When I do it behind the scenes, the EAS will not count, by the way. So what I do is you just push this button right here. We look up alerts.global EAS.org, go to global EAS.org. And then you just push one, you just go under search, you push the search button under I think it's on the EAS, and then you can hear this. Yeah. And that's it.